Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy broccoli and rice casserole. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need 1.5 pounds or 24 ounces of frozen broccoli, 4 cups of water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a stir, and then you're going to cover it and let that come to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, lower the heat to medium and let that cook for about 6 minutes or so, or until it's tender. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. While that was about to boil, I realized I forgot to put my onion in, so make sure you do that. So I just put in 1/2 cup of onion. I love this casserole. This is something we used to make a lot of for Thanksgiving, but it's been a while since we've made it for Thanksgiving, so I forgot how good it is. Now that the 6 minutes is up, I'm going to drain this and then I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 stick of butter, 1 block or 1 pound of Velveeta cheese, and I just cut it into cubes so it will be easier to melt. Just keep the heat on low until everything is melted. If you're interested in a green beans casserole or a cranberry salad or other Thanksgiving recipes, I'm going to leave my playlist link below so you can check it out. Let me know in the comments below what are some sides you like to eat for Thanksgiving. I know every family has their own tradition, everyone has different things they like, so let me know below. Next, you're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, try not to drop the can in a pot like I did. Next, you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of instant rice or minute rice. Give that a stir until everything is mixed together, and then you're going to transfer it to a casserole dish. I went ahead and sprayed my casserole dish with some cooking spray, just so it doesn't stick. It's always hard to do this on camera because the pot is so heavy. You know, trying to hold up the pot with one hand and trying to make sure you see everything. Oh my gosh. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. My hubby always laughs at me because he says I never waste anything. I had to get a small spoon to scrape off everything off the big spoon. I was like, no, you can't waste it. This is too good to waste. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven, and I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes. Would you look at this, how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, and it's so easy to make and so good. Like I said, this would be a perfect Thanksgiving side. If you think you don't like broccoli, or you don't like, some people think, oh my goodness, vegetables, but you can't even taste the broccoli in this thing. All you taste is cheese and rice and cheese. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, or you have your own thing to make for Thanksgiving, you can make this casserole any other time. It doesn't have to be just for Thanksgiving. But when I made this, we bought a rotisserie chicken, and oh my goodness, it was so good with the chicken. Well, I really hope you give this one a try. It's so good and so easy. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.